BBQ Rando is here, and it's time for another safe and sane demo for you. You can see we're on the high seas right now, so woo, this is going pretty crazy. Oh, I'm gonna try to go. Ugh, whoa, the finger's going too. The sea is out of control. Say hello to the one, the only Sergeant Pyro. Sergeant Pyro. Okay, we're gonna stop with the sea ocean effects here. What are we looking at tonight?
We got Ocean Liner by Magnus Fireworks.
Whoa, Magnus Fireworks. Hey, that's brand new this season down in Arizona. And I gotta tell you right off the bat, you can get this. The only place I know is Santan Fireworks. SantanFireworks.com. 60 locations in the state of Arizona, 2 locations in New Mexico. Santan Fireworks, known for the biggest selection, the best quality, and the best lowest prices possible. Don't buy from the other tents. Go to Santan Fireworks. Whew. And I'll tell you what, have you ever been on an ocean liner there, Sergeant Pyro?
Yes, I have.
Ah, all right. Well, I'll tell you what, this one looks pretty good. Wow, let's take a little tour of the ship, right? Yeah. There we go. So look at this. You can see, where's the fuse?
Right there.
All right.
The smokestack.
The first smokestack. Whoa, there we go. We can see it coming towards us. All right, now, here we go. Sergeant Pyro is going to turn the ship around. Now, yes, now look where they put. Here we go. Okay, Ziggy's here, everybody.
Hey, Ziggy.
Hey, say hello to Ziggy in the comments. Ziggy loves that. Okay, here's the description. All right, Ziggy, I know we're at sea. Try to hold it the best you can. So it says here, a wonderful family cruise with ocean liner. The 4 huge chimneys can present a 100-second fireworks show with silver fountain, red swimming fishes, those fishes, gold chrysanthemum, snow flames, giant bursting, crackling flowers, and much more. A must-have fountain for the holiday. And there's the awesome, I mean really totally awesome Magnus Fireworks. Come on, people that love tattoos. There's your next tattoo. All right, Sergeant Pyro, let's turn the ship around. You're our Captain Stubing at the moment here. All right, whew. Sergeant Pyro, are you ready to take this ship out to the street pad and light that fuse and get away? Let's go! To sea out here with Sergeant Admiral Pyro. Here we go. We're setting the ocean liner literally ablaze. Oh, that was you. Ah. Oh, we had 4 smokestacks there, right? Or yes, chimneys? Okay. This has to be one of the coolest fountains I've ever seen. Ah, okay. Looks like they're getting ready for breakfast on the ship.
Yep.
Yeah. There we go. Whoa, that is getting high in the sky. All right. All right, we're up to the 3rd chimney now, Admiral.
Yes, sir.
There we go. I have no more power, Captain. Whoa! I want to go on that carnival cruise. How about you?
Yeah.
Whoa! Ahoy, mate! BBQ!